Buy local or help local small businesses. We all hearing this all the time in last couple of months. As a small business owner, I feel the pain. I feel the pain when I see the big stores are open and doing the big business. But small businesses are restricted or closed in some cases. That's why as a small business owner, I support the initiative taken by a local non-profit organization, UIC, Unity in the Community. But how can we do this to help our local small businesses? We all doing our best, we all helping them anyways. So as a digital marketing consultant, what we did, we offering 20% off on all our services for any local business. Now in these days, more and more businesses are going online, so help them to visit their website. Give them a good Google review. The Google review is very powerful. Give them a good feedback. Use social media to create a small video feedbacks and share their posts in your circle. Ask the people to go and visit them. If you want to buy something online, visit your local business website and see if they are offering the same thing. It might be, $1 or $2 high, but it's really worth it. Let me give you an example. We were thinking to send our annual customer appreciation gift to almost 200 customers. So what we did, we called our local small business owners, here in our Streetsville and asked them to give us a good price so we can buy from them. So they gave us a 10 to 15% off. That's fine. Now we bought all the items and waiting to deliver us. That's fine. Every small step helps our local businesses. My name is Ayaz Malik and I'm a marketing consultant at Fusion 5, your digital marketing partner in Streetsville, Mississauga. Thank you.